Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a heads up on your first Excel project. So, of course, you'll log into Blackboard. The Excel projects are going to be over here on the left-hand side of the screen. The first one that's due is the family budgeting. There are two components. One is an instruction sheet PDF file. The other is the Excel file. You'll need both of these. So first, let's download the PDF. So read through. The gist of it is that the Davidson family is spending more money than they are bringing in each month. And so you are tasked with trying to find out how much more they're spending than they're bringing in. So read through, and then, so for example, each one of these, you have Gary's payroll deductions, you have their MasterCard balance. All of these are just, this is their spending, all right? So it's broken up into pieces for you. The big part of this is going to come from the Excel. So download the Excel. And then open it up. So there are two pages here. One is the Davidson current spending. The second one is your recommended budget. So the Davidson current spending is just data entry. You're going to read through the problem, and then you're going to enter their current spending. On the net monthly cash flow, it's going to be negative. They're going to be spending more money than they're bringing in. On the next page is your recommended budget. So as of now, nothing has been entered. So your recommended budget is what do you recommend the Davidsons do to cut their spending so their net monthly cash flow is at least zero, if not positive. So let's read through a few examples, and then I'll leave you guys to do the rest. So the first thing says, each month Gary's payroll deductions include $367.45 for federal income tax. Okay. So find the federal income tax. Here it is. I forget that number already. Let's see. 367.45. So 367.45. It may be easier for you to print out the PDF. That way you don't have to go back and forth, but it doesn't make any difference. Notice that their net monthly cash flow is now negative $367.45. I skipped over their income, his salary. I can go back and do that. We are told, where is it? There it is. We are told that his annual current salary is $59,400. Now, what you need to understand is this is a monthly budget. So he does not make $59,400 every month. That would be the dream, right? He makes that in a year. So if you're new to Excel, what we want to do is we want to divide this number by 12, right? 12 months in a year. So $59,400 in a year, and divide this by 12. The way that we do that in Excel is any equation will start with the equals. So equals 59,400, and then we're going to divide, so the division bar, fraction bar divided by, and then 12 months in a year. So he brings in $4,950 each month, and $367.45 goes to federal income tax. So notice right now we have positive monthly cash flow, but we haven't accounted for all these other spendings. So let's look at another one. Let's see. I'm looking for one that's not monthly. Okay, so here, to safeguard against the theft, fire, and other calamities, they carry homeowners insurance with an annual premium of $984. And again, you have to read carefully, right? If it's monthly, you can just enter that number right into the monthly budget. But this is not a monthly payment of $984. This is an annual payment of $984. And so this is homeowners insurance. So homeowners insurance is over here. And again, it's not $984 every month, it's $984 every year. So equals $984 and then divided by, there are of course 12 months in a year. So they pay $82 a month in homeowners insurance. So when you're completing these, make sure you read carefully. Make sure that you get all of the numbers. Another one, here's another one that tricks up students. The Davidsons pay $675 every 6 months in county property taxes. Okay, so every 6 months they pay $670. So county property taxes, here it is. So here they pay $675 every 6 months. So we're going to divide it by 6 in order to get our monthly budget. So just watch out for words like monthly, quarterly, right? Quarterly would be 4 times per year. Watch out for every 6 months or annually, and then make the appropriate division. So again, you'll fill all this in. In the end, I promise their net monthly cash flow will be negative, and then you will make your recommended budget. And so you basically do the whole thing over again, but you'll change some things and what you think that they can cut back on. The last piece of this project is to answer these questions. And so there are 4 analysis questions, and then there are 3 discussion questions. And you can answer I would expect you to answer these in complete sentences where appropriate. You can answer them in Excel. So for example, you can, excuse me, sorry about that. You can, answer them in Excel, just put number 1, and then my answer to discussion question number 1, and then, obviously you answer it. And you can put it in Excel somewhere, or if you prefer, you can open up a Word document and you can just attach that as well when you turn that in. So please email me any questions. This is going to be due basically midnight, Thursday night. And so again, it's the family budgeting for the Davidson family. Okay, good luck.